What my family and friends, what I go on is Miss Tania Lou in Canada here. Just thinking about our Jamaican proverbs, those wise sayings stemming from our African philosophy. There is one proverb that really encourages me. Um, Sometime you have to stand on crooked before you can cut straight. You have to stand on the crooked path before you can see the real path that you have before you. Sometimes the goals you have and the things you're doing to reach that goal is only sustaining you. It isn't directly leading you there, but it is needed to get you to where you need to be. So yeah, man, sometimes you have to turn on crooked for cut straight. And as my muse mother of Jamaican culture say, Miss Lou, she say, take what you get till you get what you want. I want to encourage you today. Bless you and walk good from Miss Tania Lou. Ay, ay, ay.